Hello everyone. So welcome to International Marketing Group Financial Literacy class. So our topic would be the financial strategy, how to build your own financial future. But before we start, let us pray the true millionaire's prayer. Today I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the people with my wealth. Today I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as your channel of your love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world, increase my financial wisdom, and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands in Jesus' name. Amen. So, bakit po ba nandito kayo ngayon? Or bakit po ba na-share itong video na ito sa inyo? So, sabi dito, no, Filipinos need financial education because almost 90 billion pesos ang estimated amount po ng na-scam na pera ng mga dito sa Pilipinas the last 10 years. So, not sure if you are one of them na contributor doon sa 90 billion pesos na estimated amount na yan. Okay, so I hope no if maintindihan natin yung dinidiscuss natin, maiwasan natin yung mga scam na yan. 8 out of 10 OFW have no savings. So kung OFW ka ngayon, sana pag umuwi ka ng Pilipinas, meron ka pong sapat na ipon. And isa sa kanila or isa sa 10 mga OFW umuwi po ng bankrupt. So 800,000 ng mga business dito sa Pilipinas po, 99.6 are micro to small medium scale businesses. So ganun po kaliliit lang pala yung mga businesses dito sa Pilipinas. Yan. Then, ang average na SSS pension is only 3,600 pesos per month. So if dito lang tayo aasa balang araw pag tayo nag-retire sa ating SSS, sa tingin niyo po ba sapat itong 3,600 pesos na ito? Less than 1% ng populasyon sa Pilipinas ang alam lang po ang stocks market account. Okay, so ito yung natutunan ko nung nag-enroll ako kay IMG. Ano po ba itong stocks market account na ito? And 40% depend on financial support for the loved ones. Sa mga matatanda, no, 40% sa kanila umaasa sa kanilang mga anak. And sabi po ng ANC, 7 out of 10 mag-asawa naghihiwalay dahil po sa financial problems. So I think some of you na-encounter na to, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng issue ng ating partner pagdating po sa finances. So hopefully no ma-solusyonan natin 'yan. And sabi ng statistics, dahil po sa financial ignorance, this is the survey or this is the breakdown ng mga senior citizen ngayon sa Pilipinas. 20% po is nakadepende sa gobyerno. 40% nakadepende po sa kanilang mga anak. 30% nagtatrabaho. 8% umaasa sa kanilang pension. And only 2% are financially independent. So kung may kilala ka na senior citizen ngayon, tignan nyo no, or imagine nyo na lang kung nasaan sila dito sa breakdown na ito. Okay? Umaasa ba sila sa gobyerno? Umaasa ba sila sa kanilang pension? Nagtatrabaho pa rin ba? Umaasa sa kanilang mga anak? Or they are financially independent? And our goal here, kaya po tayo nandito, kaya nandito si IMG, para ma-prepare natin yung ating senior age. Para pag naging senior citizen tayo, we belong to the 2% na financially independent na to. So palakihin natin itong 2% na napakaliit ng mga financially independent. So what's the solution? It's the financial education. Kasi wala naman nagturo nito before. No, hindi naman natin masisisi yung ating mga ninuno kasi noon wala naman pong financial education. So ngayon, ang financial education po is not just for the wealthy. It's for everyone. So hindi po ito sa mga mayaman lang. Para po ito sa lahat. And congratulations kasi nakinig ka and pinapanood mo yung video na ito. So you have to control your future. Huwag mong iasa yung kinabukasan mo sa iyong employer. Huwag mong iasa sa gobyerno, kundi sa sarili mo. Be your own money manager. So ibig sabihin, ikaw yung magmamanage dapat sa pera na kinikita mo. Hindi yung pera ang nagmamanage sa atin, no? We need to understand how money works and we need to make money work for us or work for you. So yan po yung pag-uusapan natin for this video. But before that, we have the key financial concepts na kailangan muna nating matutunan. So ano po ba yung concept na ito? First concept was the building a solid or strong financial foundation. So kung binubuo mo yung kayamanan mo ngayon, para ka daw nagtatayo ng bahay. So ihalin tulad mo siya sa pagpapatayo ng bahay. Di ba pag nagtayo ka ng bahay, kailangan solid or matibay yung pundasyon ng bahay. Para pag dumating yung bagyo, hindi madaling magiba. So ganun din po sa finances. Dapat matibay po yung ating wealth or yung ating pundasyon sa ating finances. So paano natin siya i-build? So you have to understand the importance po of healthcare. Kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan po darating ang sakit. That's the protection para sa sarili mo. Lalo na kung ikaw yung breadwinner ng family. Second, understand yung ating mga sinasabi na life protection or life insurance. So, ayan naman yung protection mo sa mga maiiwan mo in case na kinuha tayo ni Lord. Pangatlo, we need to eliminate yung ating mga utang. So, if may mga utang tayo, kailangan mag-zero out. Unti-untihin natin siya na i-zero out. Pang-apat, mag-set aside tayo for our emergency fund. Okay, magtabi tayo kahit paunti-unti para pag dumating si emergency, meron tayong madudukot. And ang pinakatuktok sa ating financial foundation is our investment. So ang typical na ginagawa nating mga Pilipino, pag nagkaroon tayo ng trabaho, nagkaroon tayo ng magandang income, inuuna natin ang investment. So hindi naman po sa amin na masama namin 'yon, no? Hindi naman siya against or hindi naman siya masamang gawin. Pero if ganun yung gagawin natin and hindi natin na-build ng tama yung solid na financial foundation. So for example, marami kang investment pero wala kang healthcare, wala kang life protection, meron tayong utang, wala tayong emergency fund. So ano kayang mangyayari sa financial house mo in case na magkaroon ng financial problem? So we need to build it right para magkaroon tayo ng peace of mind later on. Okay? Yung second concept na pag-usapan natin is about the abundance formula. So ito yung tinatawag natin na pay God and yourself first or yung 10-20-70 formula. From the time na nagkaroon tayo ng income, no? Pag mayroon ka ng sahod, that's 100%, regardless kung maliit man yan or malaki, kailangan natin niyang i-divide into 3. So una, kuhanin mo yung 10% from your salary, yan yung thanksgiving mo para kay Lord. Kasi 100% yan na binigay ni Lord, so yan yung ipapabalik mo sa Kanya, yung 10%. Pangalawa, magtabi ka ng 20% for yourself. This is for your savings and investment. So itong 20% na to, yan na po yung ipipang-build mo dun sa solid financial foundation mo. And syempre, kailangan pa rin natin kumain, kailangan natin magbayad ng mga bills, kuhanin natin doon sa natitira na 70%. Okay? So next na topic natin is the compounding interest. This is simplified by Albert Einstein. So ang tawag ni Albert Einstein dito is rule of 72. Dito mo pala malalaman kung kailan dodoble yung investment mo sa isang investment vehicle based doon sa annual na interest na binibigay niya. So gamitin mo yung number 72, i-divide mo yan sa annual interest, and yung sagot diyan, that's the number of years to double your money. Example, nag-ipon ka, you are 25 years old today, meron kang 10,000 pesos. 10,000 pesos you put in an investment vehicle na nagbibigay ng 1% annually. So kailan siya magiging 20,000 or kailan siya dodoble? So sabi ni Albert Einstein, use the rule of 72. 72 divided by the annual interest, which is 1, equals 72 years. So after 72 years, your money will double dito sa investment vehicle na nagbibigay ng annual na 1%. So 25 ka ngayon plus 72, 20,000 na siya at age of 97. So medyo matagal siya, no? So saan po ba yung mga investment na nagbibigay ng 1%? Sa mga bangko. Pero ngayon, no, maliliit na lang ang bangko, wala ng 1%. So we have recommendations, no? Ayan, so pwede ka maglagay sa isang investment vehicle na nagbibigay ng 4%. Saan po yung 4% na yan? So yan, sino po ba yung investment vehicle na nagbibigay ng 4%? Sa mga time deposit at saka sa mga rural bank. So kung sa 4% mo nilagay yung pera mo, 72 divided by 4 is 18. So every 18 years will double your money. So ngayon, meron din po dito sa Pilipinas na kaya kang bigyan ng 8% na annual na interest. Saan yan? Sa mga government bonds or pwede rin po siya sa Pag-ibig MP2. So every 9 years will double your money, no? And meron pa namang isa na investment vehicle na pwede kang bigyan ng conservative na 12% annually. So saan po yan? Sa mga stocks market or sa mga mutual funds. So kapag dyan mo nilagay yung pera mo, every 6 years will double your money. Okay, so yun po yung importance para mas makilala natin saan ba natin ilalagay yung mga pera natin. So this is the actual return of example ng isang mutual fund account. From 2007 to 2012, nag-average po siya ng almost 18.74%. So by the way, what is a mutual fund? A mutual fund po is an investment company that collects or pools yung investors' contributions. And they invested it into stocks, bonds, money market instruments, or combinations ng tatlong yan. So ngayon, in short, no, in summary, sa mutual funds pala, pag nag-open ka ng account mo, magiging shareholder ka sa mga companies na ito. Sila Jollibee, SM, Ayala, BDO, yan. So what are the benefits in investing mutual funds? So you have a professional management. So hindi mo na po kailangan dito maging expert pagdating sa stocks, no? Potentially higher return, maliit lang yung capital requirement, instant diversified yung pera natin, very safe na siya and transparent, and walang tax yung gain ng investment natin during or upon redemption because it is stated on Republic Act 8424 na yung gains realized upon redemption are tax exempt. And part doon sa ating platform, when you become a member of IMG, we have exclusive benefit number 21. You already have access to these mutual fund companies under ng Ramper Financials. And as your benefit number 17, you are already entitled for 1,000 pesos initial investment to your Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund. And pwede ka na pong magdagdag ng iyong mutual fund investment for as low as 20 pesos. Pero disclaimer, no, IMG does not sell mutual funds or mutual funds are sold by Ramper Financials. Okay? So if you are interested with mutual funds, no, you can approach yung nag-send ng video na sa inyo kasi we have separate training regarding mutual funds. So SSS also invested in mutual funds. This was last 2018. So amounting 3 billion pesos. So grabe pala yung ini-invest din ng mga malalaking company pagdating po sa mutual funds. The last concept will be the X-curve concept. So sabi niya, kaya siya tinawag na X kasi merong dalawang line na nagsalubong, no? Nag-intersect sila. The isang line, which is the blue line, represent your money line. Kung mapapansin mo, pataas po siya. Yung isang line, yun yung ating responsibility line. Kung mapapansin nyo po, pababa po siya. From the time ng bata tayo, yung blue line or money line natin is mababa. Pero napakalaki na po ng responsibilities natin. So ano ba yung responsibilities natin? Sila food, shelter, clothing, di ba? Yung mga pangangailangan natin. Lalo na kung may mga anak tayo. But then, para masustain natin itong napakalaking responsibilities na to, anong ginagawa natin? Tayo po ay nagtatrabaho. Ang tawag sa income na meron tayo ngayon is active income. You work hard for the money. Then eventually, while we are working hard for the money, dapat nagtatabi tayo ng paunti-unti. At the same time, yung responsibilities natin na ibibigay natin sa pamilya natin or dun sa mga umaasa sa atin. From the time na tumanda na po tayo, dapat wala na tayong responsibility or mababa na yung responsibility. Pero dapat meron ka ng malaking ipon. So ba't kailangan mo ng malaking ipon? Yan na kasi yung magsaserve na passive income mo or yung pera yung nagtatrabaho para sa'yo. Bakit kailangan pa rin magtrabaho? So ngayon, hindi na ikaw nagtatrabaho, yung pera na nainipon mo nung malakas ka, siya na yung magtatrabaho para sa iyo. Kasi kailangan mo pa rin po ng kumain at lalo na yung health and medicine. So yan yung problema natin, no, balang araw, no, yung medicine or yung sakit. Ngayon, habang binibuild mo po itong money line mo and pinapababa yung responsibilities natin, yung buhay pala natin merong if sa gitna. Sabi dito, what if you die too soon? So if you die too soon, no, sino yung kailangan mong proteksyonan? You need to protect your family. You need to protect yung mga tao na umaasa sa iyo. Diyan pumapasok yung mga life insurance or yung tinatawag natin na income replacement. Pangalawa, what if you live too long? Hindi ka naman namatay ng maaga pero nabuhay ka ng matagal. So you need to protect yourself. Diba? Dapat meron kang sariling investment or living on interest. Pangatlo, what if you get sick? So ngayon, ito yung mabigat, no? Pagka nag-iipon ka pa lang paunti-unti, pag nagkasakit tayo, kailangan na yung iniipon mo, yan yung pangbayad mo sa hospitalization. So dapat meron po tayong healthcare. Yung healthcare, yan yung magbabayad sa ating medical expenses. Did you know that these 3 ifs of life are kaya nating solusyonan? And etong tatlong if ng buhay natin na to, pwedeng ay mangyayari po sa atin. So the solution is we will have the recommendation to prepare for the ifs of life as part doon sa benefit mo. If you become member of IMG, you already have the access kay Kaiser. So Kaiser is our healthcare product or healthcare provider. We have long-term healthcare and short-term healthcare, and we have also senior care. But we will recommend yung long-term healthcare, no? Later on, no, pag-usapan natin ano po ba itong long-term healthcare na ito. So why do you need to focus on long-term healthcare? Kasi ang long-term healthcare is the source of your future retirement fund. Ito po yung healthcare mo na kailangan mo during ng retirement. Kasi ang tao, kailan po ba nagkakasakit? Di ba kapag tayo po ay matanda na? So I would like to introduce to you the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So this is the first long-term healthcare in the Philippines. Okay? So ang Kaiser po, no, is a 3-in-1 investment. So 7 years of savings, 13 years of waiting period. So you are covered in 20 years. Okay? And after 20 years, you can extend yung coverage po na pwedeng ibigay sa iyo ni Kaiser. So during ng paying period, in the span of 7 years na nag-iipon ka, these are your benefits. Una, you have the hospitalization or inpatient benefit. You also have free annual physical examination every year. Meron ka ditong free dental benefits. Meron na tayong term life insurance kasi 3-in-1 na siya. No? Meron ka na ditong healthcare, meron kang investment, at meron ka pong insurance. Meron ka na po ditong accidental death and dismemberment insurance. And we have also the waiver of installment due to death or disability. And then, after 7 years of paying, ano na yung mangyayari? So tapos ka nang magbayad, ika-8 year onwards until the maturity, ika-20 years, ito pa rin yung magiging benefits mo. You have hospitalization or inpatient benefit, consultation, maternity, pre-existing illnesses, and treated diseases are already covered. And then, yung investment benefits mo and 10% compounding interest will based on the plan type na kinuha mo. And after 20 years of maturity, your Kaiser will be good as cash. So you have the option to withdraw your maturity amount, and also you have the option to get the 50%, and yung 50% i-retain mo siya for your healthcare fund. And then meron ka na ditong long-term care period na nagko-compound yung interest niya from 3% to 10% as long as hindi mo wini-withdraw yung maturity ng Kaiser mo. So sabi nga na dito, no, ang Kaiser, ang ipon na walang tapon. Kasi magkasakit ka, meron kang magagamit. Pag namatay tayo ng maaga, may matatanggap yung family mo at matatransfer yung Kaiser mo sa beneficiary mo. Pero pag nabuhay ka naman ng matagal, meron ka pong fund for your healthcare at the same time, mayroon ka pong pambayad sa hospitalization. So we have also separate training regarding the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. You can approach us kung kailan yung ating mga training or webinars or mga recorded video about the long-term healthcare. So ang Kaiser po eligible is 10 years old to 60 years old. Imagine, no, yung 10 years old, pwede ka nang mag-start. At age of 30, secured na yung kanyang healthcare fund during ng kanyang 30 onwards na retirement kung maaga siyang nag-start. So for as low as 2,647, if you are 10 to 40 years old, you can now start your Kaiser savings. Pero I recommend to review yung iba't ibang plans baka kasi mas kaya mo pa yung ibang plans na malaki. Kasi the higher the plan, the higher the coverage, the higher the maturity. The lower the plan, the lower the coverage, the lower the maturity. Okay? So if you have questions regarding Kaiser, you can contact us or yung nag-send po ng video na ito. So ngayon, IMG is a new world of possibilities. We are a DIY platform. Do it yourself, no? Kumbaga, you don't need to go to your agent or salesman kasi ikaw na yung agent doon sa mga companies na kapartner ni IMG. So these are the companies who are na you have already access dito sa mga major providers na ito. We have healthcare, life insurance, investment, real estate, general insurance, and allied services. At the same time, when you become member of IMG, we have the benefits na maa-avail. Una, we have the free gift. We have the free ebook, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future, the free financial workshop or workbook, no? And we have free ebook insurance licensing examination reviewer. Meron din tayo ditong free na financial check-up. Free ang 100,000 na personal accident insurance for members ni IMG dito sa Pilipinas, no? Kung nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Pero if you are in ibang bansa or other country, you already have 600,000 na personal accident insurance. Free ang eye computerized examination natin and 2 eyeglass frame at Kaiser Medical Center and De Los Reyes Optical. You have unlimited consultations on Kaiser Medical Center. Automatic 1,000 pesos initial investment through your Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund. We have also a free legal assistance program. And then we have discount doon sa ating Associate Financial Planner Certification Program. Another 50,000 Fidelity Life Insurance with 24/7 Memorial Concert Service, tie up with Everest for one-time membership fee of 500 pesos if you are a member of IMG. So para siyang St. Peter na hindi mo na maghuhulog ng every month dito sa Fidelity Life na to. When you become a member of IMG, magdagdag ka lang ng 500, automatic meron na tayong 50,000 pesos na Memorial Concert Service if kinuha tayo ni Lord, no? You have discount sa mga laboratory test at Kaiser Medical Center for members and their immediate families. You have discount on non-life insurance, discount on real estate purchases, no, sa Ayala Land, DMCI and SMDC, and you can avail discount on your auto program kapag bibili ka po ng sasakyan. Then meron tayong access sa Kaiser, yung ating healthcare provider. Meron ka ng access sa ating Manila Bankers, yung ating life insurance provider. Meron na tayong access sa mutual fund companies under Ramper Financials with zero entry fee. And meron tayong access sa stock online trading platform through MyTrade. So that's the benefits when you become a member of IMG. So IMG membership fee is 5,500 for PH coded or yung mga local members. And if you are in other countries, depende po yan kung saang bansa ka. No? Nagre-range po yan ng $175 to $185. That's one-time, lifetime, and renewable siya every December for only 1,500 pesos, regardless kung international ka or local members. So what are you going to do? You need to take charge of your financial future. Sabi ko kanina, no, wag mong iasa yan sa ibang tao, wag mong iasa yan sa gobyerno, or wag mong iasa yan sa employer mo. So take action, secure your future now. You will have an excuse not to save or invest, no matter what your excuse is. One thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year. Ano man yung excuse mo na hindi ka mag-ipon ngayon, tatanda ka na naman next year. Ano man yung excuse mo na hindi ka mag-i-invest ngayon, yung anak mo lalaki yan, and syempre, magka-college yan. And you would need money for his or her education. No matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. So you have to be prepared for these kinds of situations kasi yung situations na to, hindi natin kayang pigilan. So I hope mayroon kayong natutunan sa akin for today. If you have questions or clarifications regarding International Marketing Group, you can contact me on this information or number, or you can add me on my Facebook account. So I'm Richard Zamora Ferido, one of the Senior Marketing Director, a registered financial planner, or a registered financial RFP Associate Financial Planner, a life licensed underwriter of Manila Bankers Life. So congratulations in advance po, and I hope no you have to grab this opportunity, once in a lifetime opportunity na pwedeng i-offer sa inyo ni IME. Maraming salamat po and God bless nyo. God bless po sa inyong lahat.